Antivirus Select Previews. Online is participant to the Amazon Services LLC Associates Program and Affiliate Advertising Program, which is designed to provide an aid for the websites in earning an advertisement fees by means of advertising and linking to Amazon products. This website is an antivirus buyer's guide and not considered as advice. The information, ratings, trends, and reviews expressed on the site are the sole discretion of Antivirus Select Previews. Online, the website is strictly for research and informational purposes only. We do our best to keep all content up to date and accurate, but cannot guarantee it due to the constantly changing antivirus landscape. In order to keep this website free to consumers, we receive advertising revenue from some of the antivirus companies. Features: ongoing protection, download instantly and install protection for up to 10 PCs, Macs, iOS, or Android devices in minutes. Real-time threat protection, advanced security protects against existing and emerging malware threats, including ransomware and viruses, and it won't slow down your device performance. Secure VPN, browse anonymously and securely with a no-log VPN while using public Wi-Fi and bank-grade encryption to help keep your information like passwords and bank details secure and private. Dark web monitoring will monitor and notify you if we find your personal information on the dark web. 75 GB secure PC cloud backup store and help protect important files as a preventative measure to data loss due to hard drive failures, stolen devices, and even ransomware. PRE paid subscription. A payment method must be stored in your Norton account. To activate *, you won't be charged until the prepaid term ends. For new Norton subscriptions, only have an introductory price. Auto renewal. Never have a service disruption, since this subscription auto-renews annually. If you do not wish to renew, you can cancel in your Norton account anytime. Norton 360 with LifeLock Select gives you comprehensive malware protection for up to 5 PC, Mac, Android, or iOS devices, including 100 GB of secure cloud backup and secure VPN for all 5 devices. Also included are features such as parental control to help protect your kids online, and dark web monitoring, where we monitor and notify you if we find your personal information on the dark web. LifeLock Identity Theft Protection includes stolen wallet protection, credit monitoring 1, and a LifeLock Identity Alert System. Plus, get up to $25,000 in stolen funds reimbursement and up to $1 million in coverage for lawyers and experts if needed to help restore your identity.